Welcome back to another episode of Tech Makers, where we dive into fascinating projects at the intersect of technology and creativity. Today's episode is particularly cool. We're exploring a DIY pomodoro timer that integrates some cutting-edge technology to improve productivity. So let's picture this. It's a busy day at your desk, scattered with tasks, endless notifications, and that creeping sense of overwhelm. You need a productivity hack, something to help you manage your time better, right? Enter the Pomodoro timer, a fantastic tool that emphasizes work intervals followed by breaks. But while many people use apps or traditional timers, our guest today has brought this age-old concept into the physical realm with an innovative electronic twist. Our project comes courtesy of a creative mind who wanted to make time management more tactile and engaging. Using an ESP32 microcontroller and a stunning 4.26-inch epaper display, they've crafted a gorgeous little device that doesn't need a backlight and is designed with intuitive controls. But what really makes this project shine? The whimsical addition of an LED that signals your work session's end through some colorful animations. Though it appears subtle, it ensures you won't miss your break. What led to this project? Our engineer had a personal connection. A friend of theirs struggled with time management and often felt overwhelmed by the multitude of tasks they had to tackle throughout the day. Here's where creativity and empathy blended perfectly. It's really inspiring to see someone channel their skills and passion for hardware into a solution that could help a friend. Let's break it down a bit. The e-paper display was a vital choice. It's refreshing to hear that it was selected deliberately, without backlighting. So, if it's too dark to read, it sends a subtle stop working signal. Genius, right? That's a thoughtful feature. Now, what about the rotary encoder for navigating the settings? This isn't just a simple dial. It adds a layer of interactivity that feels more engaging than typical buttons. Sure, it introduced some complexities in design, but hey, innovation isn't always smooth sailing, right? And speaking of innovative solutions, when it comes to the casing, our creator had a couple of design challenges to overcome. With the weight of the electronics being light, they found the device was sliding around when adjusting the dial. So, how do you make a device that stands its ground? Simple. Rubber feet and some added weights. Sometimes, the solutions seem mundanely practical, but they really can change the user experience. Now, let's take a look at how this lovely gadget operates. When you turn it on, it presents preset modes for your focus sessions, and it tracks your work and break intervals. There's even a little fun element. Every 4 Pomodoro cycles, you get a longer break. It's almost like a reward for your hard work. Now, many of us are curious about the programming side of things. Using the Arduino framework with C++, they navigated some messy code to ensure everything came together on time. And as upgrades are on the table, adding Easter eggs into the code makes it fun and personal. I'm imagining quirky prompts that surface when your focus time ends. Before we wrap up, let me ask you, what's one productivity technique you've tried that initially seemed strange but ended up changing the game for you? Whether it's a gadget like this DIY Pomodoro timer or an app you swear by, it's clear that there are endless paths to finding better time management practices. So here's a thought to ponder. If we're all constantly looking to improve productivity, how do we balance that with just enjoying the process of creating and building, like our guest today has done? Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Tech Makers. Keep creating, keep innovating, and don't forget to take those breaks. Until next time.